Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can propagate and grow on Phormium Tenax, also known as New Zealand flax, just from taking clumps of existing plant. So if you have an old overgrown plant, or if you know someone that their plant's got too big, you can take some of that and you can grow a plant of your own. So I've had this one growing in my garden now for about 6 or 7 years. It's getting really big, a bit ropey, and it could do with reducing down in size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig out some of these clumped sections. You can see kind of exposed roots at the bottom. These can be broken up into clumps. So I'm just going to take a spade and then just loosely start digging around the base. And then just chopping out a clump. You don't need to be too delicate with this. So instead of throwing away these sections, this one for example, I'm going to grow it on. These are great to give to people who have bigger gardens. These can be quite expensive plants in garden centres. So once you've got a nice big clump like that, I like to just remove all the dead bits at the bottom, just clean up the plant a little bit. Those brown leaves are the dead ones, and then we're left with some better growth, and there's a couple of roots hanging down on there. Then I like to just snip the leaves down. This helps to prevent too much evaporation of water. The plant doesn't need these leaves at this stage. It will regrow roots and then it will sprout up new leaves. And here is the clump ready. I actually left mine on some soil outside in a sheltered spot for a while. You can pot them up immediately, but I left mine out for a few weeks and kind of forgot about it, and this just helps to stimulate the roots to grow. If the plant dries out a little bit, it helps it to encourage it to grow roots. This is the same with yucca plants. If I take a yucca cutting, I like to leave them out, dry them out a bit to stimulate that root growth. So now I've just mixed up some garden soil and some grit. I want some nice free draining soil, and I'm just gently surrounding the plant with that and pressing down. Then I gave it a good watering. They like plenty of water and good drainage. Now I can just leave it alone for like the next month or so. Here it is after a few more weeks. You can see there's some new leaves popping up. It's quite a long one there. And the original leaves are kind of dying back, but that's okay because the new growth is coming through. So I'll just show you some of the root development. At this point now you can just leave the plant out and it will continue to grow roots. You could even put it in the ground and it should survive all on its own. You can see these spidery roots that have grown, and that's just the beginning, so there'll be plenty more where that came from. Okay, so that is about it for this video. Just a simple way that you can grow on Phormium Tenax plants. They can be quite expensive if you buy them in garden centres, so this might be worthwhile. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.